Hey there! Are you an English learner? You have a chance to watch videos designed to help you improve your English. Just write in the comments what you need in specific. Not sure? Choose and write in the comments. Listening, reading, speaking, grammar, terms, dialogues. You're going to watch a series of real-life dialogues. Ready? Let's go.
Good morning. What would you like to drink?
Coffee, please.
Sure, hot or iced?
Sorry, what mean iced?
No problem, iced means cold.
Oh, okay. Hot one, please.
Got it, would like milk or sugar?
Milk, yes. Sugar, no.
Perfect, anything else? Cookies maybe?
No, thanks.
All right. That's $3.50. You can pay there.
Okay, thank you.
Good morning. Where are you flying today?
Oh, hello. I go to New York.
Great. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Yes, here, this.
Thank you. Do you have any bags to check in?
One bag, big bag.
Okay, please put your bag in the scale.
Okay, here.
Yes, right there. Perfect. Your bag is fine.
Oh, good.
Here's your boarding pass. You'll board at gate 12.
Gate 12, okay.
Boarding starts at 10:30.
10:30, I understand.
Great. Have you a nice flight.
Thank you very much.
Hello. Welcome, sir. Table for one?
Yes, one, only me.
Okay. Please sit here. Here's the menu.
Thank you, many food.
Yes. Would you like something to drink first?
Oh, water, please.
Sure. Still or sparkling?
Sorry, what mean, sparkling?
Sparkling is water with bubbles.
Ah, no bubbles, just normal.
Got it. Ready to order food?
Yes, I want chicken and rice.
Good choice. Anything else?
No, thank you.
Okay. I'll bring your water and food soon.
Thank you very much.
Hello. Where are you going today?
I go to London.
Okay, one ticket to London.
Yes, one ticket, please.
Great. Do you want one-way or round trip?
Sorry, what mean round trip?
Round trip means go and come back. One way is go only.
Oh, one way, just go.
Got it. The train leaves on Monday at 10 a.m.
AM. Means morning?
Yes, 10 in the morning.
Okay, how much?
$25.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good trip. Excuse me, hello.
Hey, can I help you?
Yes, please, where, museum?
Museum? It's close.
Oh, good, how to?
Go straight down this road.
Straight, this way.
Yep, that way. Then turn left at the big bank.
Left at bank, okay.
Just follow the signs there.
Follow signs, okay, thank you, very much.
No problem. Good luck.
Hello, how can I help you today?
Hello. I need medicine.
Okay, what kind of medicine?
For head, I feel pain.
Ah, do you mean headache?
Yes. Headache.
Got it. Do you want pills, or powder?
Sorry. Powder mean.
Powder can be mixed with water.
Ah. No, I want pill.
No problem. 1 box or 2?
1, please.
That's $6.50.
Card okay?
Yes, card is fine.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome, feel better soon.
Hello. Welcome to the museum.
Hello, thank you.
Are you here for the art exhibit or the history tour?
Sorry. I don't understand. Exhibit?
Exhibit means show. Art pictures.
Ah. Art. Yes. I like pictures.
Great. The art exhibit is on the 2nd floor.
2nd floor, up?
Yes. You can take the stairs or elevator.
Elevator, better.
No problem. Do you need a ticket?
Yes. 1 ticket, please.
That's $10.
I pay now?
Yes, please.
Here.
Thank you. Here's your ticket. Enjoy the art.
Thank you. I like pictures.
Good morning, everyone. How are you today?
I am good, little tired.
That's okay. Did you sleep late?
Yes, too much phone.
Ah, I understand. What about you, Sarah?
I am fine. I drink coffee.
Smart choice. Okay, let's start. Today we learn about past tense.
Past tense, like yesterday.
Exactly. Eat becomes I ate.
I eat pizza. I ate pizza, right?
Perfect.
I go school. I went school. Yes.
Almost.
You need to. Say, I went to school.
I went to school.
Great job. You're learning fast.
Teacher, English is hard.
Yes, but you're doing great, step by step.
Welcome to Sunrise Hotel.
Hello. Thank you.
Do you have a reservation?
Yes. I book online.
Great. What's your name, please?
My name is Amina.
Thank you, Amina. One moment, please. Okay, yes, I see your booking.
Good.
You stay 2 nights, correct?
Yes. 2 nights.
May I see your passport, please?
Here.
Thank you. Your room is 204, second floor.
Second floor, I use stairs.
You can use stairs or elevator.
Elevator, better.
No problem, breakfast is from 7 to 10 a.m.
Okay. Thank you.
Here's your key. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you very much.